Good afternoon, or it's almost good afternoon where I am. 10 to 12, so 10 to 3 Eastern Time on Pacific Time here. So it's Monday, September 25th, and we're looking at a 2-minute chart of the emini Nasdaq. Now, I've had some other trades here today. I manually placed this line on here, this blue horizontal line. Everything else you see on the chart is done automatically by the software. So low here, a good bounce. A new low here, a half decent bounce, but still a lower high. And now we've got another new low for the day. Although as you can see on this one, not nearly as did it go as deep as the previous new low. Yeah, in other words, what I'm talking about here is last time this was the low here, and it fell approximately 7 points. This one here went approximately 3 points, so about half the distance. So it just seems to me, and also you got magenta coming in here, you got red coming in here. Now we don't have any greens, we just have a light green. We did get greens in here, so that's really what I was anticipating, that we'd start to get some nice greens in here. But for the time being, we'll see what goes on here. We did put the buy stop in just above that green. It was filled. I'm going to go ahead and put in a sell stop just below this dip right here at 44.50. So I'll put the stop at, well, I'll go at 43.50. So I'll put a sell stop in there. And we're long 8, so I'll change this to 8. So there we go. We've got everything in place. We'll see what we can get out of this. There's about an hour and a half left in the market, a little less than that. We could very well have a nice rally to finish it. And when I say nice rally, I'd like to get back up to this 58.70 area. So being long 8, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and put it in order. I think the first order up in here should be roughly in this area. I'm going to go for 7 points. Sell half the position here at 57. At least we'll try to. We're long 8. We'll try and sell 4 up there. We've got our stop in place as well. So everything's looking good. Everything's in place. And I'll pause recording and pick it up when needed. Okay, just restarted the recording. It's now 11:57, so just been in the trade for 7 minutes or so, something like that. 10 minutes, whatever. So we've almost hit our first objective. I'm going to raise the stop to break even, which is at 50.25. There we go. We do have 8 contracts. Whoops, we do have 8 contracts on here. I just want to move this. Here it is. Get that straight. There's our stop right there at break even. So, yeah, I want to make sure to get something out of this. I think we do have just a little over an hour going. So I may just exit 2 and change the sell limit I've got in there right now to 2. So I do want to take something out of this right here. 55.25. I'll go for that right here, and I'll change this other to 2 contracts. So 50. Okay, 50.25. We got that. Go ahead. Want to put in a marker there that we did sell 2 at 50.25. 50.25. 55.25 is what I meant. Okay, 55.25. There we go. Yeah. Okay, and the other one's at 57 even, so it's still looking good. With the 8 contracts, just wanted to make sure it didn't give a quick rebound on that. So there we are. We're now this bar here that we just had, which was a which is a decel bar right here. I'm going to raise the stop to just below that. That's at 54. I'm going to put the stop this time at let's put it 52.25. Lock in a couple of points there, and we'll also make this reduce it down to just 4 contracts, because we only have 4 contracts left on this. So that looks good. Glad to see this getting the rally that we were looking for and hitting that first objective. So that's nice. Now the next level up here isn't until really up in this area in here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll put one at 65.25. That gives us 15 points on that should it continue to move up here. So That'll be a nice objective. I'll probably make other adjustments in the meantime, but for the time being, I think we got everything in place. We got all our markers in there, all of our orders, and so forth. So I'll go ahead once again and pause the recording. Okay, just restarting the recording. It came down very quickly there and stopped us at break even on that second half of the position. So we were out at 57 and 56, 55 and a quarter, so roughly 56, and we were long roughly from around 50. So roughly 12 points on that trade. So 6 and 6 is 12, and then break even on the other two, the final, the third, and the fourth. So not much on that trade, but always nice to pick up 10 or 12 points. So pretty short trade there. If you have any questions or comments, reach us at info@daytradethemarkets.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.